Hi, I'd like to talk to you real quick about how to use online cloud storage for your company. The Guy R. Cook Report show notes, if you go to the GuyRCookReport.podbean.com, I've got a link in there on how to get hooked up with cloud storage, what the real options are for storing your data. There's some stuff in there from Adobe, from CloudWards. So take a look at that, and I think it's time to start making yourself aware of cloud storage if you're not already. There's some great viable recovery options in using cloud storage. So if you have a disaster, like say you lose all the contacts on your smartphone, you can go into the cloud and recover them lickety split. Just easy as cake to do. So don't give yourself an opportunity for a disaster, but rather get ready for a disaster. It's a wrap.